Hey, what's going on? It's Christian Rosario here with Legacy Direct. Just want to go ahead and put together this tutorial on some of the new enhancements of the BTVi3. I know we had a few updates recently, so I just kind of wanted to show you how to navigate around the new BTVi3 format, and how easy it is to navigate around there, create the right expectations for you. But as you can see here, let's just kind of focus on the screen on the new LDUI. You see that we've taken a lot out of the main page. Okay, we kind of made it easier for the user to kind of navigate around this main page. So when you get your BTVi3, all you got to do is hook it up to your television set with an HDMI cord, a power cord, and get right into the internet. You could hook it up through Wi-Fi or direct to your modem through an Ethernet. It's real simple. You just got to go to your settings, and right here under network, you'll find these two different areas here, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If you connect it directly to the Ethernet, it'll say connected here, but if on Wi-Fi, you just gotta turn it on and it'll search or scan for your network. Just input your password and you're good to go, right? This is where you could change your date and time. You click on date and time depending where you're at. I click on the time section there, and if you click on set time zone, you can set the time zone that you're in, and it will automatically format your BTV to the right time zone. Okay, if the borders around your BTV is not fitting, you can click on the display section, screen position, and now you can kind of zoom out or zoom in and set the right borders for your display on your BTVi3. Okay, so let me just kind of move forward. That's the first thing that you want to do, is you just want to check those things out. Make sure you're on the internet. Also, make sure that your time zone's properly inputted. All right, so you see here at the bottom, you could add what we call your quick links, where you could go right into your YouTube or go right into your browser right here, so you don't have to go into the My App section. You could create quick links here at the bottom for you, and we made it more in case you want to go ahead and add more applications that you want to add to your favorites, the favorite tabs there in the bottom. Okay, this is still the same here. You'll see the marquees, things that we're promoting inside of the company. Also, some of our sponsors that are taking up the space here. It's always going to change. Alrighty, so let's kind of dive into the LivePlay section. Okay, and you'll see that this has changed too with this category here. You'll see that we have three different sections. We have the BTV Basics, the BVision Network, also my VIP experience. Let me just kind of dive into the BVision Network, because this is our bread and butter. This is something that we've been designing since day one, guys. This is something that we've always envisioned, is to create a channel or a platform, a forum for you to go out there and showcase your talent, showcase your ability to produce your own original content, original films, maybe a TV series, or even if you're a motivational speaker or somebody that's a coach or a trainer, you could create your own segments, and right here on the BVision Network. So let me just kind of share with you how that works. Okay, our on-air channel, right now I am filming live. I'm actually streaming this segment here, and I'm putting it on and posting it on the on our channels. So here it is. Here's the Rosario Family Show. I have a show every Sunday at 3 p.m. I suggest that you guys tune in. It's pretty fun. Me and my family, my kids, you see what we're doing on Sunday. Last episode that we had, we juiced some of our favorite ingredients, and we made our own smoothies and things like that. So again, it's fun having it with my kids. And again, that's my show, but you could also have your own show. So right now I could click on the Rosario Family Show. Obviously it's not my show. I'm just giving you guys a brief tutorial or an example of how that works. So as you can see, I'm doing the demonstration, and it's here, I'm promoting it live. You see that? So again, you guys are going to be able to have this platform ready for you, and that's what's coming here in 2018. As you guys are going to be the stars of your own show. Could you imagine that? And some of you guys are such great characters, and you have so much to say, and I can't wait to see your shows up on here so I could go and watch them. And that's the thing, YouTube is so huge, right? Because it gives people the platform, a voice to go out there, number one, showcase their opinions, their talents, their whatever it is. And right here we're doing the same thing. And if you can, Okay, when your show becomes very popular, could you imagine that you could also make it into a pay-per-view segment or an event where you could charge people to watch your show, right? That's something you can do on YouTube or on Facebook. That's something that's revolutionary, and we have that technology to do that. All right, so let me just kind of, also the comment, you could comment on here and it'll show up on the screen, so your viewers could comment and you could obviously answer to those comments. So that's pretty cool. So welcome to my show. This is all, I would say, customizable. You could customize your own show on the fly, okay? So that's the BTVi3 Network, you guys. I can't wait 2018. I expect that this little section here is gonna be a ton of shows, and I can't wait to watch your show, and I know I'm gonna put you guys on my favorite list, okay? So again, let's go ahead and just move forward. The on-air channels, this is the LDBN, Legacy Direct Broadcasting Network, and this is something that we're always gonna be creating. This is what we call a pre-produced segment, okay? So you could go back in time and watch some of our previous leadership conferences and just listen in, okay? Just tune in on our Legacy Direct's attorney talking about the streaming media, the legalities of streaming media. Right here, this is all your resources, okay? My interview with Simon, he's our investment relations officer. I mean, this guy is amazing, and he represents huge companies overseas, here also in the United States. So, I mean, think about this, guys. We have a platform that creates our own network, and we get to decide what our viewers get to see, okay? Our product section here, we're gonna add more as the company grows. We're gonna have more sections here for tutorials. But this is something I wanna point out, the start to finish video, okay? So when you get your BTVi3, you gotta watch this, and you gotta let everybody know to watch this, because it gives them step-by-step on how to register your unit, how to download and update some of the applications, so you can make this thing an easier transition for you to get out of your old ways of getting entertainment from your house to this new way of getting entertainment through the BTVi3. That right here, my friends, is something that you definitely want to go ahead and showcase and let your whole entire organization know that this is available. So these tutorials here, it's only going to get better because more products are in the process, and we're going to add them to this section here. The personal development section, man, I can't wait. As more leaders start to emerge in our company, we're going to have more leadership training here. Like, for example, Tommy Wyatt is one of my favorite trainers. And he's been in the industry forever, okay? And he understands it, and he has such a great heart, and he wants to help a lot of people out. So here he just talks about building a legacy, goal setting, and all of these different thumbnails could be changed, okay? Depending on what you want to train on. So building a legacy, let's just go ahead and just click on this to give you an example of how powerful this platform is, and how we could go out there and reach the masses and train everybody and make it so duplicatable, okay? It's right here, guys. It's right here. So I love this intro that Tommy put together.
A dimension of sight,
right?
a dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over in.
It's so cool. That's Tommyville, right?
Hey gang, what's going on? It's your pal Tommy Wyatt, and here to do a little legacy training. And I wanted to talk to you about today the basics of building a legacy business.
Wow. I mean, just that title alone, the basics of building a legacy business, doesn't that want you to go and watch this immediately? So again, we're giving you guys the outlets. All you got to do is just plug into these different outlets, and you'll get charged up, okay? You get fired up. But again, I can't wait for people like you to step up and say, hey man, I got something to say. I want to have my own channel. I want to have my own show. I want to be on here because I could definitely benefit the legacy business, legacy company, the legacy community. Let's go ahead and just put you guys on here. Right now, me and Tommy we have our own channels, but I expect this in 2018 just to get filled up, okay? So again, we have a platform for you to have a voice, to train and motivate and create a huge legacy business for yourself. The Legacy Institute right now, we're working on this. As soon as we have the content available, that's going to be on here, okay? So if you click on it, and if it says load failure, hey, that's what it's supposed to look like. Okay, so don't go and be like, oh man, it's not working. No, this is what it's supposed to look like, okay? Alrighty, so moving forward, that is the BVision Network. Let's go ahead and just click onto My VIP Experience. And what is that? Okay, this is, if you're a builder, if you're a true legacy builder and you want to create residual income, you definitely want to have the VIP experience. For $49.99 a month, let me tell you what you get. Number one, you're going to get your back office. You get the premium back office, the command center. Okay, this is something that we spent tons of money on, and you're going to be able to keep track of your organization. You're going to keep track of your commissions. I mean, it's just an amazing back office. So you're leasing that every single month, and included with that $49.99 is also the VIP experience, where it just eliminates all the advertisements. Okay, so we do have sponsors, and if you don't have that, you're going to watch a 2-minute commercial. And if you want to get rid of that, just go ahead and be part of the VIP experience and get rid of that. But also, you got to get connected to this section here. Okay, so let me just kind of give you an example. Okay, and let me just walk through the buttons. The live TV, these are the three really people kind of navigate through. It's live TV, TV episodes, and movies. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and just give you just a little, a tidbit on every single section here. So if you could click on live TV, obviously that's what it is, right? Self-explanatory, that's live TV. Sports in USA, local news, really these are the major ones that people kind of go into, Latino and also VIP sports. But look, there are so many different categories here in different countries that you could get into, and we are a global business. Okay, wherever the internet's present, anywhere around the globe, as long as you have high-speed internet, you have access to all this different content. Okay, so again, let's just kind of click on sports, okay, because that's what everybody likes. So click on sports, and you're going to get a list. And if you look here to the right-hand side, it says 72. That means there's 72 channels here, or 72 links based on sports. So if you click on the first one just for demonstration purposes, okay, there it is, AFN Sports. There's a commercial going on right now, but this shows a bunch of great sporting events, from hockey to basketball to football, okay, soccer, wherever you go, okay. So that is a great place to go. AFN Sports 2.
Double digits. Paul Feinbaum discusses the dynamic between these two men in today's F-Bomb.
Okay, there you go. You could go into some of the European ones that show, US programming too as well.
Step further and win a game.
Okay.
Mitchell Stark's back.
All right. CBS Sports Network, Big Ten Network, ESPN University. Okay, for the golf fans that are out there, here's some golf network.
Plans for every golfer.
Okay.
Just $97 a year.
So let me give you guys a trick here. So for example, if you want this to be your favorites, okay, to be part of your favorite channels, all you gotta do is press OK on your remote control, and what's gonna happen is you're gonna see that star here. And when you highlight this star and you press OK, it's gonna go ahead and highlight this section, and now it's part of your favorites. Okay, and let me just give you this function of this little icon, this exclamation point. Say for example you click on that, and these are some of the different issues that maybe a channel may have, whether it's channels down, or the voice and the mouth, they're not syncing up, or the channel and the name don't match. Maybe it's showing some other different stream, or the channel content's repeating itself, it's on a loop. You could go ahead and click on these different issues, okay, and you could send it, and it'll send a direct message to the provider and ask them, hey, could you please take a look at this? Okay, so this is not our content. We're just giving them, some type of information saying, hey, this is not working, please. And look, that is such a what we call that's a game changer in our industry. Usually there is no connection between you and whoever the provider is. There is none. Here you get a chance to go out there and say, hey, could you please take a look at that? Alrighty. Here on the left-hand side, once you press OK, this is also going to pop up. It gives you an opportunity to kind of browse around while you're still watching your show. Okay, and then click on the channel, and there you go. Alrighty, so that is the sports section. USA, there's 341 different channels that you could go on here on USA. and watch your favorite, I don't know, stations here. Okay, so you click on CNN,
To be released,
there's
but what's your
CNN,
takeaway
and
right
it still works the same way. You press OK, you have all these different categories here, different functions. Here at the bottom, you can kind of browse around also,
He doesn't know
okay,
anything about
and see what is the best for you.
He needs that. He lives in Lancaster.
Okay, whatever you like. And say again, if this is like your favorite channel, A&E, that's your favorite channel, highlight the star, that's gonna be part of your favorite section, okay? So that is the live section. Local news, whenever your local news is streaming, whether it's in the morning or in the evening, it'll pop up here. But there's 291 local stations here that you could choose from all around the nation, okay? China, Latino, so all the Latino channels, the most popular ones, there's 151 different channels, and you could kind of cruise around. Whoa, what do we get into? Right? So, that's so funny, it's a game show. Right? So,
Crearon el Instituto Mexicano de Realidades Mixtas.
alrighty, so again, there it is. That is your Latino channels right here, live TV. TV episodes, it's right here. So USA, you can kind of see some of the most popular ones here, and go to TV shows extra, gives you another platform where you could get TV shows. But let's kind of go into the movies, okay? And when I show you the movies, kind of ties in and the same operations on the TV shows, okay? So here it is, you go to USA, okay? These sections here we're testing out and adding some newest movies that are out there, but you could see that we're moving pretty quickly. We're moving in the right direction. But if you click on USA, these are some of US movies that are available, but also we have a global presence. We have a huge presence in the Chinese community, and they love American film. So what we did is we had two birds with one stone. There is, when you click on some of these movies, it's going to show it's in English, but it's going to show some Chinese subtitles here. Why? Again, we're a global company. We're tapping into different markets, and is it going to be different later on? Absolutely. But right now, this is the way it is. Okay. You could press OK on your remote control, and you can go ahead and fast forward. You could also add this to your favorite list. Okay. So this is the movie I just clicked on in this section here. Okay, there's 1,668 different movies that's on here. How do you know what you have? Okay, you could kind of scroll down and it's in alphabetical order, or you could go do the search and see if it's available, whatever movie that you're looking for. But this list also is going to get bigger and better. Okay, so let's go into the extras. This is where a lot of people kind of hang out in. So you go to movies extra. Alrighty, and you're gonna get this category and this look. Obviously, you're seeing what we call, the TV shows, and you could kind of scroll down using your remote. Okay, and say for example, Shameless is one of your favorite TV shows. You could add this to your favorite list. So here, you want to utilize the mouse, and if you see this yellow button, okay, here on your remote control, and you click on it and it blinks, and then when it stops blinking, you're going to be able to bring in your mouse. You see that? Okay, your air mouse. And see that, again, that star here at the top right, and you click on that, it's going to highlight the star. Now it's part of your favorites. Okay, and while the mouse is going, you could also now utilize, without the mouse, you could click on season. You could see all the different seasons. Okay, and this is the most recent one. And when you click on that, you can see all the different episodes. Okay, you click on the episode that you want. Okay, so you want to do episode 7, season 8. You click right on your remote control. You see how it highlights the top there, and you press play. Or you could utilize your mouse and then click play. There's two places here. You could click that, or you could click the top right, and then now you have two different areas here. You could click play. Okay, so you click play, and what's going to happen is this: all the different links, you know, all across the United States, all around the world, it's going to pop up here. And let me give you guys a rule of thumb. Okay, if you see in the list of links, if you see something that says fast server, usually that's a good link. Okay, if it says slow server, it's already giving you guys an indication that, hey, this might have some issues, or you know, some buffering issues or some lag. Okay, so I want to go ahead and just click on, you know, something that says fast server. Okay, and when you click on one of the links, all you gotta do is press play. Never download. Okay, but click play. You could click play with subtitles. So you could click play, and there it is, right? Simple. All right, so let me give you guys some expectations here. Okay.
Time for this. I'm busy. Okay?
So when you press exit, okay, you're gonna get some type of advertisement here, right? These are not our ads, but it's real simple. All you gotta do is click on your mouse, click on the X button there, and there you go, you're done. Okay, alrighty. So let me just kind of go back to the beginning. So this is where we start off. Okay, so now you click on this menu button right here at the top right. As you can see, there's different categories here, like your favorites. Remember, I put Shameless as part of my favorites. Now it's gonna add to your favorite list. Okay, so again, let's go click on the menu button, click on movies, and it's gonna give you some of the most popular movies that are here. Okay, this little arrow that's pointing down, if you click on that, it'll give you this list, this kind of a filtered list. You click on new HD releases. I kind of hang out there myself, and there you go. I watched this movie last night, you know, I, Tonya. It's a story with Tonya Harding. Great movie, I thought it was, and you could click on that. But anyway, you could click on any of these titles, and just like how I shared with you, guess what? Just press play, and there you go. Okay. All right. So here's what we got to do. Okay. Here's what we got to do. If you guys are thinking, hey man, I like the movie section. This is something that I want to default into instead of you know, TV shows. Let me give you guys, you know, some settings here. So you click on the menu button there at the top left. You go into settings. Okay, and if you go all the way down, and it'll show here, choose default navigation. It says TV shows, right? You click on that, and it'll give you these two choices here. Say movies, so click on movies, and now going back, okay, so let me just exit out of here, go movies extra, and now it's movies now is your default. Okay, if that's what you want to do. If you want to go TV shows, you could do that too. But this is all in one, you know, TV shows and movies right here in this categories on the movies extra folder. Alrighty? So again, if you see things that say cam, you know, and you know, it's a slow server, you know, I kind of stay away from that. You know, I want to make sure it's HD, you know, and that's just my preference. But some people just like whatever. Okay. But anyway, let's just kind of move out of this. Okay, and show you my history. You click on my history, and if you find this, if you see this here in your screen, this is for parental control. To set it up, you got to put in a password. But if you don't want parental control, okay, you just press cancel, and it will be disabled, and you can go back into my history, and it'll show you exactly what you've gone through inside of this platform. And so these are like your quick links, your history. But anyhow, you can see now, I could go back into my history. It's not going to ask you for any type of parental control setups. It's already been deactivated. Alrighty, so if you want to clear your history, guess what? This button here at the top with, you know, a circle, okay? And if you want to confirm clear history, confirm clear my history, your history folder is now empty. See that? Here, if you want to search at the top, say for example, you want to search for, I don't know, let's search for a category here, or a station, or something. All right, so again, I want to utilize my mouse, okay, because that's what I want to do. Click on search. Say I want to go ahead and click on N, NFL, okay, and go ahead and search, and it'll find things that are regarding in the NFL, okay, from NFL Now to NFL Network, and some of the matches that are going on Sunday. Alrighty, so again, let's just go ahead and go back. Okay, let's just go back. Alrighty, so here's your favorites. You click on my favorites. You know, I added the golf, A&E, you know, to the favorite section, so you can add to your own favorite list. Alrighty, extras. This is where you can find live gaming, fitness, education. If you want to learn how to speak a different language, it's right here. So I suggest you just browse around. Music, radio stations, concerts, you know, previous concerts, and just music alone. I like going on radio stations sometimes because I get to go anywhere around the United States and check out some of their music. So here, I'm in California, but here we go. You could go and click on some of the cool radio stations you're used to. American Top 40. Okay. All right, so that's the music section. Alrighty, so it's pretty simple, right? You got your live TV, your TV episodes, your movies, your music, your favorites. It's all right here. You can do search. Okay, but what's BTV Resources? Well, BTV Resources is the BTV basics. Okay. All right, so let's go back to here. Here's the BTV basics. You click on BTV Basic, you have two choices here. Live TV, right? This is something that you don't pay for. This is totally free. Again, we don't own the content. We don't claim to have the content. But here you have the opportunity to still watch live programming. It's 137 channels that you could choose from. And
Pot goes up and they're behind
okay.
you. You're in. You're part of the
Just gotta wait.
Push
There you
your
go.
button, check. Next.
All right, so it's here, available for you, live TV. So let's click on to the BTV Resources. Click on that. Just wait for this boot up video. Okay. If you see that skin helper service error, just pay no attention to that. You're going to have this once you load your BTV player and you get everything to the latest version. You're going to see these categories here on the left hand side: movies, TV shows, live TV, animation, sports, music. Okay, so similar to what you see on the VIP, but it's a little bit different format, and you know, it definitely works. Okay, so you click on movies, just the word movies. This is our go-to, what we call add-on, which is Poseidon. There's other add-ons that you could go to, but let me just give you guys an idea of how it works. So you click on the year. You obviously it's just 2018, but 2017, the movies are available. But so, for example, I don't know, you could kind of go down the list. So, for example, you want to click on Dunkirk. You know, I saw this movie the other day. I thought it was a really pretty cool movie. So you click on that. Look, so this is the time that I want you guys to understand and create the right expectation. And when you click on it, you just gotta wait for it to load. Okay? You just gotta wait for it to just do its thing and find, you know, the best possible sources and providers. So what people do is they start pressing OK on their remote control. They ended up canceling, and you'll see no streams available, and people start saying, oh man, there's no stream available. Well, you just gotta wait and be patient. Okay, so when you become patient, you see all this, it's working. You know, it's right now it's at 82%, but I just want everybody to understand that you have to create the right expectations and manage your expectations and your disappointments. Okay, you'll see different categories here. One thing that I noticed working around this is you're going to get some indicators on which streams are going to be better than others, right? Like, for example, whenever I see popcorns, I always use that because it almost works you know, all the time. And if something doesn't work, you go back and try to find the best possible streams, okay? So here we go. All right. And right now we're operating in like maybe what, 40 megs here in our office. We're connected through the Wi-Fi. Okay. And if you are searching for a film and it's not available, there's no streams available, and there's nothing that's playing, then that's probably what it is. Okay, it's not available. Is everything available on the internet? No, not everything's ever available on the internet. But look, you have the opportunity to get something. Well, I didn't have the opportunity before to get anything, and I was paying $300 a month. So again, there it is. Let me just go ahead and stop that. Alrighty. And it works the same way with TV shows. You go on TV shows. I stay right here in the new TV shows, or I search for one. But if I go into new TV shows, I can see some of my favorite ones that are here. Okay, let me just click on Future Man. Oh, it's the first season. Okay, and let's watch the pilot. Okay, again, going through the same motions. You just got to be patient. You can't be pressing a bunch of buttons. When you do, you're going to create different commands. And when these commands that these commands that you do, it's going to confuse, it's the search is going to confuse all this, that's going on right now, and you're not going to get anything. Okay, so again, wait for it, be patient. Okay, be patient and wait for it. It's looking for some providers, and this is it. This is all third-party stuff, guys. Okay. This is something that you could get all on the internet, you could get on your phone, you could get on your computer. We just made it easier for people to kind of point and click, right? Again, you could go and click on some of these things. I clicked on the top one. Let me see if it works or not. Okay? All right, so I mean, it's working. And you see here at the bottom, it's buffering. It is, trying to cache in all the different content, okay? Oh. I pressed on the wrong button. I was trying to press the OK button, but I ended up pressing the home button. All right, so again, let's go back to the TV shows. Okay, so new TV shows. So again, guys, what I did, it's a fatal mistake. I ended up pressing a button that I shouldn't be pressing. So again, Future Man, clicked on that, first season. Okay. Pilot. And if you don't have a BTVi, trying to get one, because it works so much better. The mouse, the functionality behind here, you have a little bit of a keyboard, okay, and it's pretty cool. It works perfectly. All right, so I click again on that. Alrighty. So now, like I said, it's cashing in. Okay. There you go. All right. So you want to make sure that you wait for it, let it cash in, and it's going to work. So again, make sure that you have the BTVi. It works perfectly. New TV shows, new episodes. It's right there. Live TV. Click on Live TV. US channels, this is where you could get some of these events here. Alrighty. Whenever there's a game going on, football wise, on Sunday, this is where you can kind of find some of your favorite teams playing on Sunday. Alrighty. So that's pretty much it. I mean, everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. Animation, music, fitness, food and beverages, education, kindergarten to 12th grade right here. I mean, look, Hooked on Phonics. Click on Hooked on Phonics. I mean, for those that have children at home, if you're homeschooling or if maybe just taking some time, you know, just to work with your children. I mean, right here, I mean, this is not just entertainment, but it's education, guys. I mean, look, show somebody how to print the letter C. I mean, when was the last time you guys wrote a letter? You know what I mean? You know, you guys were text messaging. We're always text messaging. But again, this is just to brush up on your writing skills, right? So you don't know how to write the letter C.
Learn to read.
There you go, guys. Right here. Let me show you how to do it. Stop texting and start writing, right?
Curve around. C.
There you go. Okay. So again, you could stop that and go forward. Education extras. This is where you can find some theme parks, YouTube, all this good stuff. Where it's right here on the basics. But anyway, that's how I operate, you know, my BTVi3. Alrighty, it's real simple. Okay, it's real simple. So what's in it for you? I'm just gonna go real briefly on what's in it for you. Okay, what we decided to do is this: you could partner up here with us and become a legacy builder, or if you just want to become a customer, perfect. Become a customer. Get the BTVi3, save some money, guys. Okay, save some money. But what I suggest that you do is to partner up with us, become a legacy builder, and start making money here with us. There's resolutions that are going on right now, and one of the big resolutions that people have is, I want to make more money. Okay, I want to make more money. I want to have something on the side, maybe a separate income stream. Well, perfect. Welcome to Legacy Direct. For $49, you get to partner up here with us. You have a turnkey business immediately. The technology that I just showed you, you don't have to come up with that. The box, the engineering, the manufacturing, you don't have to come up with the money for that. It's only $49. It's a yearly membership for you to partner up here with us to make money. Okay, so $49, what do you get? You get the basic back office that will help you kind of navigate and help you with your business. Okay, you know, it shows you your commissions and your genealogy, things like that. Okay, so $49. It's a yearly membership. Next thing that you want to do is you want to get yourself a BTVi3. The BTVi3 allows you to do demonstrations and not only save some money, but save other people money, because seeing is what? Believing. You want to get people excited about this. And how do we do it? Look, I just tell people to come to my house, and I just train other people to go to their homes and share it with their friends and family and neighbors. Tell them to come over, have, you know, a little light snack, and show, you know, how the BTVi3 works, just like I shared with you, and people get excited immediately. There's a few ways that we get paid. The first way is through retail sales. So once you have your box and you're showing this to other people, you're gonna get paid when they buy box, okay? You get your own customized website for you, okay? The replicating website allows them to not only get information, but sign up right on the spot. So when they become a distributor and they get their BTVi3, how much money do you make? You make 20%, which is $80. So when they sign up for $399 for this, it's a one-time, guys. One time for a lifetime of entertainment, okay? So it makes sense. I used to pay $300 a month, guys, on my entertainment from home, okay? Whether I was using Netflix or any other, you know, platform, I was paying $300 a month. So now I'm saving money. This is the only thing that I use. But they're gonna see value in that. You're gonna make $80 for them saving some money. Alrighty? We also have something called Strive for 5, which if you go out there and get 5 people in your first 28 days, you're gonna earn a bonus after that for the person. Okay, you make $80, $80, $80, $80, plus $100 on the 5th person. So again, it's amazing because you now have the opportunity to make money immediately. Alrighty, and as they start to grow, because they can't keep their mouth shut, they're gonna go out there and talk to more people every single day, and they're gonna be in more living rooms. It's the war of the living rooms, guys. The more living rooms that you're in, and you're showcasing our products, also our BK sound system, our you know, accessories like the B Chemo, okay, some new accessories coming out in the future. Imagine building a huge distribution channel, a huge customer base by just sharing this opportunity to other people. You're gonna earn what we call team commissions, okay? Each product that we have consists of different BV, which is business volume. As the business volume starts to accumulate in your organization, you're gonna earn monies on that, okay? Up to 15% on your lesser volume leg, okay? Talk to the person who brought you on this page or showed you this opportunity and asked them what that means. But when you start building a group, just understand this. You can make money on other people's efforts. It's called leveraging. You can start earning residual income, okay? So you start leveraging your time. So imagine earning team commissions. The most that you can make in team commissions is $25,000 a week. Yes, I said it, $25,000 a week. You can start making money today by sharing this with other people today. Go from living room to living room today and showing them how to navigate around the BTVi3. We have tech support, we have customer support, we have text support too as well. So what other company out there that's dealing with technology has that type of service? No one, okay, no one. I'm telling you, we are the premier developer. So we're not only a marketing company, but we're a full-blown technology company, and we have customer service available for you. Alrighty, so they're gonna get excited. They're gonna blow up. They're gonna start building a team. So if you want to make more than $100,000 a month, we have something called leadership check match. As a leader, you're gonna earn leadership check match by earning the first really prestigious rank of bronze. Okay, you could either buy a leadership pack and get coded as a bronze, or work your way to that position. When you become a bronze, guess what? You earn 20%. It unlocks your 20% check match on your next generation bronze. So for example, if you brought me in and I became a bronze and you're a bronze and I earn $1,000 in my team commissions, you're gonna earn 20%, which is 200 bucks. I like that behavior because if I made $1,000 and you made 200, how much money do you want me to make? As much money as I can, as fast as I can, right? So if I make $10,000 in team commissions, you're gonna make 2,000. Imagine if you got 5 people to do the same thing. Guess what? You're gonna make, what, $10,000 yourself. You know what I mean? So again, the behaviors, I want to help as much people as I can, make as much money as they can, because I'm going to earn a little bit. So as I start creating legacy builders out there, and they're creating their own legacy, in turn, my legacy is being built. Alrighty? It's all about serving and sharing this great opportunity. All right, so that is the leadership check match. What else do you get paid on? You get paid on rank advancing. When you rank advance, the company's gonna pay you 2 ways. The company's gonna pay you one-time bonuses and monthly bonuses. Okay, every 4 weeks, you're gonna get paid. So for example, if you hit the position of bronze, which is the first earned position when you're gonna earn these rank advancement bonuses. Number one, you're gonna earn a one-time bonus of 500 bucks. Great. Not a lot of money, but not a lot of work. You're just helping other people. How do you become a bronze? Just help people on your left, people on your right, help them become successful, and you will become a bronze, okay? But just to be more specific, guess what? If you build 5,000 BV on your left, 5,000 BV on your right, group volume, you earn the position of bronze, okay? So again, if you're a bronze, you're gonna earn $500 bonus one time, and also $400 every 4 weeks. You could go all the way up to a black diamond where you're gonna earn one time $1 million bonus and $6,000 every single month. But at that time, you're a black diamond, come on man, you're making 6 figures, you know, hopefully in a week, okay? Again, this business here that we're talking about here is the streaming media business, which is a multi-trillion-dollar industry. Streaming media, multi-billion-dollar industry. Again, I'm telling you guys, right now, we are one of the premier front runners in this space, and we're creating our own technology, our own products, our own services. We're not just slapping a name on a box that you see out there every single day. This is something that we create, we manufacture, we're FCC approved, okay? We're Bluetooth approved. We're creating technology, guys. Like I said, we're not just a marketing company. We are a full-blown technology company, and you have the opportunity to partner up here with us. We will become a billion-dollar company. And when we do become a billion-dollar company, guess what? The people in the beginning, they get started here with us and help us really climb this mountain here. You guys are going to become so, wealthy, okay? Because that's just the way it is. It's the conversions of wealth, right? It's the wealth. It's coming this way. And if you guys put yourself in front of this wave of wealth that's coming this way, guess what happens to you? You will become wealthy. Okay? You will become wealthy. That's just the nature of everything. Because timing is everything, guys. Whatever industry that you're in, it's all about timing. And the timing is now for streaming, because people are looking for a different way of getting entertainment and creating their own, their own platform to showcase themselves. And you see it every single day. I don't got to tell you, on Facebook, on all these different streaming platforms, guess what? People are looking for alternatives. Alrighty? So again, guys, partner up here with us. It's only $49. Get your BTVi3. Get multiples. One for your house and one for you to demo. Okay? Get the leadership pack. Get 7 BTVi3s. Okay? You have some in inventory, because as soon as you show somebody this, they're gonna they might want to go ahead and buy right now. Okay? And you want to have the inventory right now. So again, this is it, guys. And I just want to share this here with you. Thank you for spending some time here with me. I love my BTVi3. It's saving me over $3,100 a year. I mean, think about that, and what I could do with that type of savings. And not in my 20-year experience in network marketing, where I had a product that I could demonstrate and people just want it right now. I've never had that experience. I've never had such a demonstrable product where I could just point and click and people get it. Okay, because this is something that you don't have to train. This is something that people use every single day, which is, you know, their entertainment. People are looking to save some money, guys. I'm not talking about a gimmick. I'm talking about, this is full-blown technology that we're going to go into the marketplace with, and we're excited about. So this is just one of our flagship products, the BTVi3. There's more to come. We have our BK sound system. Great product that you could complement your BTVi3 with. Comes with, you know, 2 wireless microphones and a subwoofer. I haven't even showed you the karaoke stuff, man. You can go on YouTube, type in, you know, your favorite song, and check out some of the karaoke on there and sing karaoke right here on your BTVi3. All right, guys. So thank you so much for visiting some time here with me, and I'm excited to be working with you. So thank you so much. Have a great day.